before we hit the road, I want to give you a view of my backyard. It's about 29 degrees. Oh, you stay there. So the birdies. So this is my backyard. Just give you an idea. We got about 3 or 4 inches of snow. There's the swamp. There's the deer blind turned into a tree house, playhouse. But yeah, dog loves the snow. If you would let him, he'd be out here all day. That's my view out the back door of the house. Really sweet. All right, let's hit the road, Jack. I'm so stoked, I'm so excited. Going to pick up my wares. 2 awesome items, 3, not so awesome, but hey, quick, this is my view. Isn't that gorgeous? That's like a postcard view. Trees go way up there, but this is my view out the front of the house. Look at that. Just wonderful. Not too bad, 29 degrees Fahrenheit. Not too cold. That's my view. But we're gonna go to this auction house locally about 10 minutes from here to pick up my high bid wins. 2 awesome items and 3 small items. But let's go. Let's hit the road, Jack. Alright. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but what do we have here? We have my internet service provider laying down the pipe for fiber optic internet. Oh yeah, they're going very slow, 1 day a week. Taking their time. But they're doing what they can with what they have. I contacted sales department for this fiber optic internet, and they're having a hard time getting contractors and people, and it's tough, man, but they're doing what they can. So hopefully in a couple months, they said next year, maybe February, maybe March, we'll be hooked up to high speed. We'll see. We will see. So 2 of these items that I'm picking up are awesome. And one's for me and one's for a friend. So I've been helping this friend of mine since August of this year to try to find one. And we've tried and had a few bites and a few auctions that we lost, but finally we both won. So I don't mind spending money to help people.
Now, there's only one use for money, and that's to make more money.
But Mr. Howell, I want to spend it to make people happy.
Well, that's a very noble sentiment, very warm and generous, but stupid.
I like doing that. I want it. I'm going to pay for it. He'll pay me back. He'll get his item. And then the other one I'm going to keep. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, or if I'm going to sell it. I don't know. They're pretty cool. So that's what's happening. These items are so cool. I'm kind of feeling tingly, like I'm channeling the spirit of Harry Humstone from the universe coming down into my soul. These items are such a bang bang, stinking bang bang.
Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang.
You pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, we love you. And in chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, what we'll do.
I am a little nervous with these items in the car because they're so valuable. It's kind of like I need a bodyguard, somebody to protect me. Like if you go to a coin shop and you buy some gold bullion and it's like in your pocket, and you just get in your car, you're like all worried, somebody's gonna know you have it and get carjacked or something. What I need is security. So because of my nervousness, because of these bang bang hot items, I brought security with me. And here he is. Joey. Joey is my security. He's gonna protect me when I park the car and driving down the road. Ain't nobody gonna carjack me with him here. So Joey's super excited. He wanted to come along. He wants to see these items. Enoch wanted to come along too, but it was his meditation time. So I told him, you know, I'm leaving at 11:30, and he said he can't. He's got to meditate. He's got to use his crystal, communicate with his home planet, whatever. So Enoch was going to be here. He gives his condolences. He apologizes. Joey, on the other hand, he doesn't like the cold because he has 0% body fat because he's styrofoam. So he had to wear the ear flap hat, which is made out of wool, by the way, very expensive, and the scarf. So he is showing off the brooch that we got from Sue, Vintage Vagabond Vens. So he's always wearing that brooch. Every time I take it off, it reappears on his chest. I don't know what's going on. So next stop is the auction house. I don't know. I didn't ask for permission to film there, so I'm not gonna even film there. So the next video you see will be heading home with our goods. Bang bang. I can't wait. So excited. All right, we're here. We are here. I am tingling with excitement. Tingling with excitement. I'm gonna park in the back where no one can see. There we are. All right, I'm gonna go in and get the loot. Joey, you stay here and protect the car. If somebody tries to break in, you scream your head off, even though you don't have vocal cords. I'll be right back. All right, there it is. Ooh, sneak peek. Let's head on home. Head on home. Got the goods. We got the goods. All right. Let's get out of here, skedaddle, and head home. I'm going to show you what I got.
Thank you for choosing Burger King, where you rule.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I like a #1 meal with a Diet Pepsi or Coke.
Would you like that meal medium or large size today?
Just medium.
All right. Anything else for you?
That'll do it.
Can I get a name, please?
Dave.
$9.85 at the first window.
Thank you. Made it home alive. And I did not get hit by a cement truck. That was my biggest fear. Okay, we're back at the homestead. Here is the haul. Joey wanted to be part of this. I don't know what his problem is. So I was telling you I got 3, meh items and 2 awesome items. So the 3 items that are like no big deal are these cool birdhouses. So I got these to keep, to put in the backyard for the little birdies to have a place to live. $4 a piece. I'll zoom in. There's that one. That one. That's the big dog right there. So $4 a piece is not bad, but I just realized I did not check these to make sure there's no critters inside of them before I brought them in the house. But you know what? Oh well, what are you gonna do? Now I did get a little crazy and I spent more money than I usually do. So these are 2 vintage ceramic Christmas trees. There's the little guy here and the big daddy here. This is my first time finding these and being able to buy them, so I'm super stoked.
Celebrate, celebrate, dance to the music.
So I won 2 Christmas trees in this high bid auction and I lost 6. It was a battle royale, just like professional wrestling. I mean, I don't even know who I was bidding against, probably little old ladies. But holy cow, I beat up, broken bones, bruised, battered, but I did score 2 out of 8. I was determined not to overpay. I think I did okay. So as I talk, I'm going to put up comps on the screen so you can see what these typically sell for. This is ballpark. It's not a guarantee. I'll come in nice and close here so you can see the detail. Yeah. Pretty cool. So first up is this 14-inch tree with mice, super cute. I paid $44. $44 is a lot for me. I mean, if you've been watching my channel and watching my videos, you know that I can source stuff for 50 cents and sell them for $50. This is really nice. I'm either going to keep it or I'm going to sell it. And I'll put comps up on the screen. I don't know yet what I'm going to do, and that's okay. You don't have to sell everything or resell everything. You can't keep stuff. So, very nice. Joey approves. So second up is this Big Daddy here. I bought this for a friend. This is not a keeper. He is 18 inches. Real big boy. Hard to tell looking here. I paid $52 and my friend will pay me back for this. He's super excited. I'm super excited for him. This is vintagey and big. I mean, super big. Got all the bulbs. Now the little guy here that I'm keeping, it has plastic bulbs. They're probably replacements. That's no big deal. So here's a comp for this 18-incher to give you an idea what they could be worth. So when it comes to value on these trees, keep 4 things in mind. Number 1, size matters when it comes to these ceramic trees. The little ones like the 6-inch and the 8-inch, they're really not worth very much. People prefer the larger ones. I think the most popular are about 17 inches and larger. But the big guys over 20 inches, they can sell for over $300. I was shocked when I did research on this. $300, holy cow. So people do really like the 20-inch, the 24-inch, the 28-inch. I've seen them over 30 inches before. And those are hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So point number 2 is condition. Try to source a tree that is in excellent condition with no chips and no cracks. So check it over carefully. I checked these as good as I could just now, but you can't do that when you bid online. You're not there. Can't do the smell test. You can't check it. Mine with the mice, there's a little paint chip, which is no big deal. You could touch that up. But a little old lady owned about a dozen of these, and she hired this auction house to auction them off for her. So she took very, very good care of these. So I'm convinced none of these are cracked and they're in great condition. So a minor paint chip is okay, but a crack is usually a no-go for me. If you find a really nice tree that's super expensive, but it has a crack in it, you could always glue it and keep it. But for me personally, I would not sell it.
Trying to handle that puck along the boards, and you can see him, Jack. He's bracing for the hit.
Okay, point number 3, make sure it works. It's not a deal breaker, but if it works, it's worth more money. If it doesn't work, you can always buy a replacement light for the base. They sell those, but people prefer the vintage original light if you can. And in just a minute, we're going to test these and make sure they work. Point number 4 is variations. So white trees and trees with snow like these have, the snow accent on there is called flocking, and I had to look that up. But the flocked trees or the white trees tend to be worth more than just the plain green trees. And here are some crazy comps. I could never pay this much, but if you see these in the wild, don't be afraid to pay up. Also keep in mind, new ceramic trees typically come with plastic bulbs, and the classic trees come with glass bulbs. There are many different manufacturers of ceramic trees, but it appears that Atlantic Mold is the Rolls-Royce of trees. And I'm going to throw some pictures up. They appear to sell for the most money. And here's a pic of the maker's mark for Atlantic Mold. So for reference, here are the 6 that I didn't win. I didn't want to bid too high. So I'm showing you the high bid sold prices to give you a reference of what they typically could sell for. Your results, of course, might vary, but this helps you determine what you should pay if you find them out in the wild, so you don't get crazy like me and possibly overpay. So first up, the first one that I lost, lot number 613, is a big boy, 19-inch. It sold for $86. Lot number 802 is a 12-inch, and it sold for $32. Lot 804 is a 10-inch, and it sold for $40. Lot 805 is 13-inch, and it sold for $32. Lot 807 is 16-inch, and it sold for $64. I don't know what they saw in that one, but somebody really wanted it. Lot 812, size is unknown. The auctioneer forgot to take a picture of the tree next to a yardstick, and it sold for $54. And you can always buy a brand new ceramic Christmas tree. Here's one from Walmart. Size does matter. The bigger, the more expensive, whether new or vintage. Here's a 24-inch beast, new from JCPenney. $300. Bang, bang. All right, so enough waiting. Let me dim the lights and turn these puppies on. All right, and there you have it. Very beautiful. They work. It's not very dark in here. Obviously, if it was darker, you could see it better. But I did turn off the light. So there's mine with the little mice. Here's the Big Daddy. Yeah, they work great. Fantastic. That might make a good thumbnail. Let me get nice and close here. Let me back up a little, right about there. Nice little thumbnail. So that's it, guys. If you found any value in this video, please hit the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That helps me grow the channel. And when I upload new videos, you get a notification. I really, really appreciate you stopping by. You just don't understand how important it is and how great it is to have viewers and comments and likes. And hit that share button. So if you know anybody that's interested in sourcing ceramic Christmas trees, either to keep them or to resell them, hit that share button and shoot it out to somebody you know that might find this valuable. So that's it, guys. Till next time. See ya.